Let me just show you the fruit of our labor, y'all. But I was thinking, the critter can't get in, but we can't neither. Ladies and gentlemen of the, I was gonna say natural hair care jury, but this is really for my green thumb gardeners. This is a special edition of Backyard Shenanigans. I am going to try to save the rest of my garden and future ones by taking down the netting that I had that you can see behind me and replace it with chicken wire. This is a project for more than one, so I do have my handy dandy and trusty, ever so willingly and smiling helpers to get this done. I'm not even sure if this video is gonna go up. I'm not sure how much we're gonna record, but I thought I would give it a shot. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finally finished the work on the garden. It took us, I think, like almost 5 hours. I'm tired. I already know I'm looking crazy, but this ain't a hair video. This is a Backyard Shenanigans video. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just a quick visual of the aloes. I did cut off all of the stems. I think I might have left one. I got tired, but I cut off all of the stems and I watered them down. I watered all of the trees, my poor little avocados. Y'all know the deal with that. The apple tree, I just want to show y'all, just since that last video, which I believe has been less than a week, these apples are really, they are really growing, y'all, and I'm just so like amazed. Of course y'all know I'm trying to avoid the spiders, but I mean, look at that, just beautiful. And I cannot wait to eat like as many of them as I can. One lowly one growing down here, and I have some more, you know, all around. It's the same ones that I showed you before, but I mean, in just a short period of time, they almost like twice the size that they were just the last time that I showed you. And I promise you, you know, maybe it's been a week, but they are really growing. I mean, look at that. I mean, and in bunches too. And I really thought that, you know, that was gonna be the end. I added some topsoil to the apple tree, and I added some to the lemon tree. Same no-go on the lemon tree, but it's green and alive, so that's good. And I put some topsoil on the orange tree. It's still alive and well. It's a baby, so you know it's gonna be a while before we get some fruit. A quick peek at the cherry trees, you know, same story as the last video, but I almost feel like I can't do a video without at least doing a glimpse of everything. But now to the star of the show. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Fort Knox. This is what I imagined when I first wanted to put up the garden. We have chicken wire, we have the post, we have trellises for the tomato plants and for the snow peas. We have netting on top of the chicken wire, and we have rocks at the bottom on top of the chicken wire, and a small trellis gate at the bottom. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if that critter can get past all of our defenses and get into this garden, he deserves it. He truly deserves it. I want to give a shout out to Nikki and her channel. I want to give a shout out to Elaina and her channel. And there were a few more of you that also gave me some recommendations and stuff and helped me find some things that I was looking for to get this garden going. This is how I wanted my garden to look from the beginning. Now, just in case you're wondering, there are 5 sections of chicken wire. We have 2 long ends, 2 short ends, and then the top is also a layer of chicken wire. And then that black netting that I had on originally, that's over the chicken wire. Like I said, I have these small trellises at the bottom, and then I have the rocks pressed against that. So but because we cut the chicken wire in sections, if I want access to it, of course I have to move the rocks, move the trellises, move the netting. But I can separate this front section, this front portion of the chicken wire, or I can take the top off, and then I can leave the sides and the back, you know, dress up my garden, harvest it, plant the new garden, and then I can put those pieces back. Whereas if we would have just done it as one solid piece, I think that would have been trouble. So I like the fact that we cut it in sections, and it just gives me better access to the garden when I need to actually get in there. But I can water through this. There's plenty sunlight, and the plants and stuff are protected. Now, I'm sure there's going to be some bugs and stuff that's already in there, and probably some things that can get through the netting and the chicken wire. But I think that overall, the garden is going to be in good shape and able to grow. I put about 1.5 bags of topsoil. I mixed that in. As you can see, I'm not sure if it's going to show through the netting and everything, but the strawberries are running. So I see 2 runners already. So more strawberries are on the way. These are the original plants that got stepped and trampled on when that critter ate up all my strawberries. Y'all remember the last video? I was like, hey, I see 1 strawberry. I see something red. There's the 1 strawberry back there, but I think it's a little eaten. I think I saw like a missing piece, so we're just gonna leave that there to fertilize the land. This is Garden Fort Knox, and we are looking forward to harvesting some snow peas, some green bell peppers, some strawberries, even some green beans, and plenty tomatoes. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Y'all, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm tired, and I'm wore out. Bye.